Foundation repair? What's Ram Jack West got that I ain't got? I got this here Ram. I got this here Jack. I ain't got Jack. Come on, Bobo.
I don't recommend you do your own foundation repair. I do encourage you to do your homework and go with the best foundation repair company in the Pacific Northwest. Ram Jack West has got a transferable lifetime warranty backed by a warranty trust. That gives us the strongest warranty in the business, the best customer service, and the best products. There is no reason to choose anybody else. So when after doing your homework, choose Ram Jack West.